Farmhouse-style cottage home decor combines rustic charm with cozy, inviting elements to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Here are some tips to help you achieve this look. Incorporate vintage accessories. Add vintage items like old clocks, lanterns, weathered picture frames, or animalware to give your space character. Look for items that have a story or history behind them to enhance the farmhouse charm. Use open shelving. Opt for open shelving in the kitchen or living areas to display dishes, glassware, or your favorite collectibles. This not only provides storage but also adds a decorative element. Bring in nature. Incorporate plants, fresh flowers, or greenery to bring a natural touch indoors. Use vintage-style containers like galvanized buckets, ceramic pitchers, or wicker baskets as planters. Decorate with farmhouse signs. Use signs with farmhouse-inspired quotes or phrases to add a personalized and whimsical touch to your decor. Look for signs with distressed wood or metal finishes. Focus on wood elements. Incorporate wood in various forms, whether it's exposed wooden beams, a reclaimed wood dining table, or wooden accent pitches. This adds warmth and an authentic farmhouse look. Repurpose and upcycle. Find creative ways to repurpose or upcycle old furniture and decor pieces. A vintage leather could become a blanket holder, or old wooden crates could be used as storage or side tables. Feature shiplap or bedboard walls. Add shiplap or bedboard paneling to walls or ceilings to give your space a classic farmhouse look. These textured wall treatments add visual interest and a rustic touch. Install vintage lighting fixtures. Opt for vintage or antique-inspired lighting, such as old iron candeliers, farmhouse painted lights, or lantern-style wall sconces. These fixtures provide warmth and character to the room. Create a cozy reading nook. Dedicate a corner with a comfortable armchair, a small side table, and a lamp for a reading nook. Add a few cozy pillows and a soft throw to make it extra inviting. Display a collection. Showcase a collection of items like vintage teacups, antique plates, or rustic pottery. Display them on open shelves, a hutch, or in a glass-front cabinet to add a personal touch and reflect your unique style. Incorporate rustic hardware. Use rustic or vintage-style hardware such as old iron hooks, antique brush or apron-front sink. This style of sink is not only functional but also adds a distinctive farmhouse aesthetic. Use slip covers on furniture. Use slip covers in neutral tones on sofas and armchairs. Slip covers not only create a relaxed and cozy look but also practical, as they can be easily washed. Layer with rugs. Layer area rugs to create depth and texture. Consider using jute, braided, or wool rugs with simple patterns or neutral colors to maintain the farmhouse vibe. Shelf-edge beaches. Integrate shelf-edge architectural elements like old doors, corbels, or window frames into your decor. These beaches add a sense of history and uniqueness to your space. Set up a farmhouse entryway. Create a welcoming entryway with a rustic bench, a wooden coat rack, a vintage mirror, and a few baskets for storage. Embrace imperfections. Farmhouse style decor often celebrates the beauty of imperfections. Light, flowy curtains made of natural fabrics like linen or cotton. Tie them back with simple jute or burlap ties for a relaxed, charming look. Create a rustic kitchen island. If space allows, add a rustic kitchen island made from reclaimed wood or a vintage piece of furniture. It adds both function and farmhouse charm. Decorate with mason jars. Use mason jars as vases, storage containers, or candle holders. They add a simple, classic farmhouse touch to any room. Introduce cottage-style wallpapers. Consider adding wallpaper with subtle patterns like floral prints, stripes, or gingham checks to a single wall or a small space. This adds charm and character while maintaining a cozy cottage vibe. Use reclaimed wood accents. Incorporate reclaimed wood in unexpected places such as cupboards, coffee tables, shelves, or even picture frames. The wood texture and natural finish add authenticity to the farmhouse style. such as landscapes, animals, botanical prints, or vintage farmhouse signs. Choose beaches with weathered frames or simple wood